Welcome students, today we are going to learn how to compare fractions, like and unlike. First of all, we are going to compare like fractions with the same denominators. While comparing like fractions of the same denominators, the fraction with a bigger numerator is greater. For example, here you can see this fraction 4 upon 5, here the numerator is 4 and the denominator is 5. And we have another fraction 3 upon 5, here the numerator is 3 and the denominator is 5. So you can see here that both the denominators are same. So when the denominators are same, we will say the fraction with a bigger numerator is greater. So which is the bigger numerator here? 4. So the fraction 4 upon 5 is greater than 3 upon 5. Another example. Here we have the first fraction 2 upon 8 and the second fraction is 6 upon 8. Again you can see the denominators are same, 8 and 8. So we'll look at their numerator. So which one is the bigger numerator? Yes, the bigger numerator is 6. So we can say fraction 2 upon 8 is smaller than or less than 6 upon 8. Now we will be comparing unlike fraction with the same numerators. While comparing unlike fractions of the same numerators, the fraction with a smaller denominator is greater. Now in this case, the numerators are same and the denominators are different. Look at the first example. We have a fraction 1 upon 2 and we have another fraction 1 upon 3. Here you can see the numerators are same 1 and 1 and the denominators are different 2 and 3. So when the numerators are same, so what we will do, we'll look at the denominator's value. The smaller denominator fraction is greater. So which is the smaller denominator here? 2. So we can say 1 upon 2 is greater than 1 upon 3. Another example. 3 upon 7, first fraction, and the second fraction is 3 upon 5. The numerators are same. So we'll look at the denominator's value. 7 is the bigger denominator and 5 is the smaller denominator. So when the fractions are unlike and their numerators are same, the fraction with a smaller denominator is greater. So right now this denominator is greater. So we can say fraction 3 upon 7 is less than fraction 3 upon 5. Or we can say 3 upon 7 is less than 3 upon 5. Comparing unlike fraction with different denominators and numerators. How can we compare unlike fraction? We have both numerator and denominators different. Let's see. We can compare unlike fractions when numerator and denominators both are different by cross multiplication in the following way. This is the first fraction and this is our second fraction 3 upon 4 and 2 upon 5. Here you can see both numerators and denominators are different. In order to compare unlike fraction with different denominators and numerators, we will cross multiply them. We will multiply 3 and 5 and 2 and 4. Like this. After multiplication, we came to know that 3 5s are 15 and 2 4s are 8. So 15 is greater than 8. So we can say the first fraction 3 upon 4 is greater than the second fraction 2 upon 5. In this way we compare unlike fractions with different denominators and numerators. Another example. Now we have a fraction 6 upon 8 and 5 upon 2. You can see they are the unlike fraction, their numerators and denominators are different. So we will compare them by cross multiplying them. We will multiply 6 and 2 and 8 and 5. So we will write in this way 6 into 2, 8 into 5. After multiplying them, we came to know that 6 into 2 equals to 12 and 8 into 5 equals to 40. So you can see here 12 is less than 40. It means first fraction 6 upon 8 is less than the another fraction 5 upon 2. Can you compare the given fractions? Here I have written some of the fractions for you. You have to compare them by using the method we have discussed in this video. 5 upon 8 and 3 upon 8. B. 8 upon 4 and 3 upon 5. C. 6 upon 8 and 6 upon 3. So good luck and thank you.